Hi, my name is Barry Franks. I'm the Product Development Manager for FlowZone, and today we're going to be talking about the FlowZone Injectosol. Working with the Injectosol today, the most crucial maintenance item is the Atomization jet, which is located underneath your nozzle. If you're ever working on a job and the liquid's not spraying and you're just getting air, chances are your jet is clogged. So I'm going to show you how to repair and clean out your jet. The first step we're going to do is we're going to use a 9/16 wrench and we're going to remove the stainless steel nozzle. Underneath it you'll find your jet. The jet is the brass piece. So the jet is absolutely tiny, 10,000ths an inch. And that's what's going to clog, is that tiny little orifice inside your atomization jet. So what we're going to do is we're going to push down on the push to connect and use a pair of needle nose pliers and pull the jet out. When we pull it out, we notice a much larger hole on the back side. You're going to put the much larger hole up and the small hole down, and when you put the pressurized liquid through there, it will kick out any debris. Then simply turn it back around. And now you have a clean jet. Put the nozzle back on. And you want to give it a little tight turn here with the 9/16. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our support team Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. Email us at support@wessel.com or call us at 803-339-2500.